pretty full.
Hey guys, we just had a hearty Tim Hortons meal. I'm driving up to the Georgian Bay, kind of Perry Sound area, towards the Henvey Inlet Wind Farm project, where they're building some big windmills to bring power down to Toronto. I am with Dave Jackel from Shave Media. I also have my good friend Taylor Pelletier in the back of the car, hidden with all our gear. If you can, there he is.
Very safe back here.
We're driving up to film with the First Nation. They're the environmental monitors, cultural monitors for the whole site. It's on their land, it's on reservation land. We've got a bunch of RED cameras, we've got some drones. We're gonna film some windmills, we're gonna film some turtles being released at 1 today.
So this would have likely been one of last year's hatchlings. He will bite you. And you know why they snap? So most turtles, we kind of think about, they can hide in their shell, right?
Yeah.
But these guys, if you look at their belly shell, right? It's basically all meat.
Yeah, that's true.
And just a little bit of the shell, right?
Plate.
So they had to develop what's called a secondary defensive mechanism, right? This is all innervated too, so they can feel all of this.
That's wild.
Just like we could.
We're up here at a turtle hatchery. It's part of an environmental program with the wind farm. And we just filmed some turtles get released. Got some great stuff. And we're learning a lot about turtles today. Filming a UTV going down a construction road where they're going to be checking out a windmill. You can see we got our talent right back there. I'm running this Movi Pro in a Ready rig. I've got a new toy. I got the Teradek RT thumb wheel, so I've got control of focus with my thumb. It's a little too run and gun this shoot for an AC, so this allows me to keep everything nice and sharp even though I'm running around through the woods. Got a Sigma 18-35 on there, Scarlet-W. Got the ignited Digi TB50 adapters, keeping this thing powered all day long. I think that's everything.
Dope.
All the way there.
All right, so we're at this awesome location here. We got this windmill right behind me. It's one of like 87 on this site. And Taylor, do you think we have too much gear?
I think we could use a little bit more.
We need a little bit more gear. In a place like this, you just need to put the Inspire up, just get maximum resolution, and we're gonna have some fun. So for today's flight, instead of using the DJI 15mm lens that I usually fly with, we're going to use a 45mm Olympus Micro Four Thirds. I already flew the Mavic Pro around here, and there's so many windmills that way that are just so far away that I want to create some interesting depth of field with this 45mm lens. I want to do like a strafing across all the windmills because I can't really fly into the project. I have to stay on this little public road that we're on now. Switching to the 15mm, figured I got all I could with the longer lens. It was honestly perfect. The depth that you get with the 45, we had one windmill just huge, super close, and then you see all the other windmills, and then you see the inlet off in the distance that the whole project is named after. So really a perfect flight, I would say. wind farm. Great trip so far. Beautiful up here. Very nice people, very welcoming, very hospitable. They're feeding us fish and fruit. We're gonna take a little boat ride. Still using a Movi with a RED. Taylor's got a longer lens on his RED, going handheld. We're gonna fly the drone a little bit. Gonna try to get some scenic shots of the First Nations little town and wrap this project up.
What lens you got there, Taylor?
Sigma Cine 50-100 T2.
Which would you choose?
Day 3 of shooting up in Canada. Normally I just go handheld, but this, I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to go back. A little less sore, a lot less tired, and I'm getting a lot more shots. Another cool thing that I got going on, Teradek RT thumb wheel. So I'm able to pull focus while I'm running around with the gimbal, which has been great. Been a really great shoot so far.